Hello everyone, welcome to my channel One Stop Placement. In this video, I am going to tell you about dictionaries in Python. In previous videos, we discussed about list, tuple and set. For list, we have used square braces, and for tuple, we have used normal braces, and for set, we have used curly braces. In these three, we have entered only single item. For example, if you take L is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, we are giving only single inputs into that particular list, tuple or set. But in dictionary we have to give in the form of key value pair. Key and value should be separated by colon, and all these key value pairs should be enclosed in a flower braces. Then it will be treated as a dictionary. If you find type of D, it will give you dictionary. And if you want to create empty dictionary, you can directly take D is equal to curly braces of, then it will give you as an empty dictionary. If you find type of D, it will give you dictionary. And let us discuss about how to create a dictionary. Let us take D is equal to name colon Sai comma age colon 23 comma branch colon CSC. It is a dictionary. If we want to access the any value in a dictionary, we have to use key. With the help of key only we can access the values in a dictionary. But in list, tuple and set, we will access using index. But in this, we will access the values in a dictionary using key value. Using key, let us take D of name, then it will give you answer as in Sai, because the value of name is Sai. If you take D of age, it will give you 23. If you take D of branch, it will give you CSC. Now let us discuss about how to update the values. If we want to update any value, we have to update with the help of key. For example, here D, in the dictionary D, we are taking key as the name and value as Sai. But if you want to update this name to Shiva, then we have to update as D of name is equal to Shiva. From now, whenever you print D, it will give you as name Shiva comma age 23 comma branch CSC. We can update like this. Otherwise, we can update using update function d dot update of. We can update with the help of this function also. Now we will discuss about some inbuilt functions in dictionary. Let us take dictionary as d is equal to, let us take name si, and let us take age as 23, and let us take branch is CSC. Let us take this as an dictionary. Now let us start with an update function. Update function is used to add two or more dictionaries. For example, if you want to add some items into this D, let us update this as D dot update of. We have to give like address colon some xyz. Now whenever you print D, it will give you as name, Sai, comma, age 23, comma, branch CSC, comma, address XYZ. It will update what we have given inside this parenthesis. Now let us take items of function. It is used to get all the key value pairs present in a dictionary. For example, if you take D dot items of, when you print D, it will give you all the pairs present in this dictionary. Then it will give you like this: name Sai, age 23, branch CSC, address XYZ. It will give you the all the key value pairs present in the dictionary. Now let us discuss about keys function. This keys function returns only the keys present in a dictionary. Only the keys. If you take D dot keys of, it will print you only the keys. Here the key is name and age and branch and address. It will give you only the keys present in the dictionary. Now let us discuss about values. It will give you the only values present in the dictionary. If you take D dot values of, then it will return you all the values present in the dictionary like Sai, 23, CSC and XYZ. These are all the values present in the dictionary. Now let us discuss about copy of. It is used to create a duplicate copy. For example, if you take D dot copy of, and if you save this in another variable, that is x is equal D dot copy of, now whenever you print x, it will give you the same dictionary that is present in the D, like name Sai. It will give you the all the values key value pairs present in the dictionary D. Now let us discuss about pop function. This pop function is used to remove the particular value of the key mentioned in the parenthesis. For example, if you take D dot pop of key, this is the syntax. If you give D dot pop of name, if you give name as the key, then it will return the value of that particular name. Here the value of the particular name is Sai, then it will return the Sai as the answer. From now, whenever you print D, it will print all the key value pairs except the name and Sai. It will give you like age 23, branch CSE, address XYZ. It does not include the name and the Sai because it was popped out. Now let us discuss about pop items. This is used to return the both key as well as the value what we have popped out. But in pop function we will get only the value of a particular key we popped out. But in pop items it will give you the both key and value also. For example, if you take D dot pop items of, it will remove the arbitrary item in a dictionary. For example, let us think like it is popping age 23, then it will return the value as answer as age 23. Now from now whenever you print d, it will remove the age 23 and it will give you the remaining values as it is. Now let us discuss about del function. Del function is used to delete a particular item, or if you want to delete total dictionary you can delete. For example, if you take d dot del of, if you give any particular key that is branch, it will remove this branch, and from now whenever you print d, it will give you only address because branch will be removed. If you delete totally, that is d dot del of, it will directly delete the total dictionary, and whenever you print d, it will give you the error. It does not give you the empty list. It does not give you the empty list. Now we will discuss about clear function. Clear function is used to clear all the key value pairs present in the dictionary. It will clear the dictionary. For example, if you take d dot clear off, it will clear all the values and keys present in the dictionary. From now whenever you print d, it will give you as empty dictionary. But in del function it will give you an error, and in clear function it will give you an empty set. Now get function. Get function is used to get the value of a particular key. For example, if you take d dot get of some address, it will return you answer as xyz because the value of address is xyz, so it will return the value as xyz. Now let us discuss about set default. This function is used to create default value. For example, if you take d dot set default of age 45, whenever you give this line, it will check the key is already present in the existing set, existing dictionary or not. Here age is present in the existing dictionary, then it does not update the value to 45 because this key is already present in the existing dictionary. But if there is not present in the existing dictionary, for example, if you take d dot set default of city colon rjy, it will check the city as a key and it will check it is present in the existing dictionary or not. Here in this there is no city present in the dictionary, then it will update the value city as Rajahmundry and it will insert into this dictionary. From now whenever you print d, it will include d, it will include city colon rjy. From keys, in this we have to give two arguments. First one is the tuple and second one is the value. For example, if you take d dot from keys of t comma some value 0, let us take tuple is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now whenever you print d, it will give you 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 and 0. This from keys is used to assign the value of a key as the value. It will assign 1 value of 1 as 0, 2 as 0, 3 as 0 and 4 as 0. But in place of value, if you take any list, for example, if you take d dot from keys of t comma some list like 2 comma 3, for every value in tuple, that is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, the value 2 comma 3 will be assigned, that is d is equal to 1 colon 2 comma 3, 2 colon 2 comma 3, 3 colon 2 comma 3 and 4 colon 2 comma 3. It will assign like this. Now we'll discuss everything clearly in the demonstration part. Let us take d is equal to name as the key, value as psi, comma, age 23, comma, branch CSC. Now when you print D, it will give you all the key value pairs present in the dictionary. Now let us update the dictionary. D dot update of, let us take address colon XYZ. When you print D, it will give you address and XYZ because it is updating the existing dictionary. Now let us discuss about items. D dot items of, it will give you all the key value pairs present in the dictionary. Now we'll discuss about keys. D dot keys of, it will give you all the keys present in the dictionary. Here the keys are name, age, branch and address. Now we'll discuss about values. D dot values of, it will give you all the values present in the dictionary. Here the values are psi, 23, CSC, XYZ. Now we'll discuss how to create a duplicate copy of the original dictionary. Let us take x is equal to d dot copy of. Now when you print x, it is giving all the values present in the dictionary D. When you print D also, it is giving the same value because we have copied the D dictionary to x. Now let us discuss about pop function. D dot pop of, let us give key as name. It is giving value psi because the value of name is psi. From now whenever you print D, it will not give the name and psi because we popped out the key name and value psi. Now it will give you age 23, branch CSC and address XYZ. Now we will discuss about pop items. D dot pop item of, it is giving both key as well as pair. Here the popped item is address and the value is XYZ. From now whenever you print D, it will not give address and XYZ. It is giving only age 23 and branch CSC. Now we will discuss about get function. D dot get of, let us give key as age. It will give you the value of that particular key. Here the value of age is 23, so it is giving value 23. Now we will discuss about set default. D dot set default of age comma, let us take value as 30. See, it is giving value 23 because here the age is already present in the existing dictionary, so it will not update the value, so it will give the value as 23 only. But if you give the key which is not present in the dictionary, like for example like gender comma male. See, it is giving male because here the gender key is not present in the dictionary, so it will update the dictionary by adding the gender as the key and male as the value for it. From now, whenever you print D, see, it will give you gender as well as male. So the final answer is age 23, branch CSE, and gender male. Now let us discuss about from keys. Let us take D dot from keys of, let us take tuple as 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and let us take value as 0. Now it is giving 1 value is 0, 2 value 0, 3 value 0, and 4 value 0. Here the from keys is used to get all the keys of the tuple will be assigned the value as their values. So it is giving value as 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, and 4 0. In place of zeros, you give any list. For example, D dot from keys of tuple as 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and if you take list like 2 comma 5, see, it will assign 2 comma 5 as a value for all the values in the tuple. Now let us discuss about clear. Now let us discuss about clear function. If you clear D dot clear of, it will clear all the key value pairs present in the dictionary, and whenever you print D, it will give you empty list. Now we'll discuss about del function. If we delete any particular item using the key, we can delete that particular key with the particular key value pair with the help of the key. But if you delete the total dictionary, when after deleting, when you print D, it will give you error. For example, if you take del D, whenever you print D, it will give you error. But in place of clear function, it will clear all the key value pairs and it will give you empty set. But in del, it does not give you empty set, it will give you an error.